what is Python? So basically Python is a high level programming language, and we are going to start this. First one is comment. The comments are used to write something which is the programmer does not want to execute. There are two types of comment, single line and multiple line. A single line comment is used to represent a single line as a comment. It can be represented by hash symbol by the beginning, and the second one is multi-line comment. The multi-line comment is used to define the paragraph as a comment. It is represented by triple single quotes. Now coming to the next part, that is variables. A variable is the name given to a memory location in a program, and the variable can be stored in different types of values. The different types of values can be stored as a data type. The first one is integers. The integer store the value in the form of positive, negative, including with the 0. The second option is floating point number. In this, we store the value which is holding the decimal. Now the number third, which is a string. String is capable to hold the value which is alphanumeric. The fourth one is boolean. Boolean always used to store the true value, either it is true or false. Then last one is none. None is used to fill the content if the variable has no or empty value. It will hold the none character. Now coming to the next part, which is operator. Basically operator is used to define the logic or to do some operation between two operands or more. The first one operator is arithmetic. As the name suggests, the arithmetic is used to perform different types of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and their symbols are represented here. The plus symbol represents addition, minus subtraction, slash division, star multiplication. Now coming to the next part, assignment operator. Assignment operator is used to assign any value to the variable. It can be represented by the equal sign, plus equal, minus equal. The plus equal sign means if the variable is defined, then the value which is going to add in this will increase this value. And the minus equal to means if the variable is defined, the left side value will be deducted from the right hand side. The third is comparison operator. It means we will compare two value or more than two value. The first symbol is double equal to. It will use to check the value it is equal or not. Now the second is greater than, less than. The greater than compare to value which is greater, and the less is used to which is lesser. Now the next is greater than equal to and less than equal to. Both of these is used to compare the value with the equality. If the value is greater or less, it will check, and also it will check the value is equal or not. And the next one is not equal to. Not equal to means if the value is given and the another value is given and both are not equal, then it will satisfy our condition. The last one is logical operators. As the name suggests, logical, it will follow the condition. The AND logic gate will follow the condition if the both having the same value, or if one of them having the value and other is not satisfying the condition, then it will not run. In compared to the or will satisfy both the condition is true, and if the one condition is true, then also it is satisfied. And the third one is not. Not is used to when we are want to satisfy any condition which is not in this field. So for today this is the topic. Next time we will learn the practicals one. Thank you.